Today we're entering the world of projectors and testing to see if we can get a good image for under $100. We're playing video games, letting the cats play some games, and watching our favorite shows, all with our new projector from ANTMAP. And spoiler, I really like it. It comes shipped to your door, ready to project your media to. Inside the box, you have your user manual, a remote, AAA batteries not included, a power cable, an HDMI cable, and then your projector with lens cap. To get started, I hooked up the projector and powered it on. I shut out the lights and focused the lens using the focus wheel on the front. I selected my language and was greeted by a nice little menu. You could play media from HDMI or from external storage. So I put some shows and movies on a flash drive and plugged it into the projector. Now I can use the remote or use the row of buttons on top to manually go into the flash drive and directly pick and project whatever I want. I tested some different shows and movies for a bit, and I gotta say, for the price, I'm really impressed by the clarity of this projector. I don't even have a projector screen. I hung up an old white blanket and it still looks great. And not only is the picture clear and crisp, but the audio is surprisingly good. So audio in these projectors have come a long way in the past few years. I don't mind the sound at all, and it's not drowned out by the sound of the projector. But for you audiophiles out there that need the perfect audio, it even has Bluetooth options. You can go into your Bluetooth settings and scan for external audio devices. Then it connects, and then you can have audio from your personal sound system. That's another sweet feature. Then I played some video games on the projector. This was pretty fun and looked great too, but I wanted to game to the max. So I set up my projector and switch outside and projected the game onto our pole barn. And this is what I've been waiting for, that wow moment. Look at the size of the projection and how clear the image still is. Even with the sun rising in the early morning, the projector was still bright enough to see from across the farm. Now that's awesome. After I had enough fun, I brought it inside and let the cats have their turn. I put on some cat TV and let them chase mice on the wall. It was so realistic that they went wild and were diving at the wall trying to get them. It was positioned just right and made the mice look like they were running behind the bookshelf. Too funny. And if that's not enough, it has a tripod hole on the bottom where you can mount your projector and aim it exactly where you want. You can even screen mirror from your phone. So many cool features from this projector. So if you're looking for an affordable projector that will do more than just get the job done, this projector from ANTMAP might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go watch some more TV and edit this video. See ya!